Hey, what's up guys? And welcome back to Good Food, Simple Science. Now we're making today a hot chocolate fudge cake. So it's one of those recipes which really is go hard or go home. So we're gonna make it as chocolatey, gooey, indulgent as we most possibly can. So hot chocolate fudge cake, let's get right into that recipe. Okay, so to start with, we've got our oven which is preheated to 160 degrees. We've got some springform pans which we've lined with some greaseproof paper. And we're going to start our dry mix ingredients. So for that we've got some cake flour, which is a low protein content flour. So it's ideal for making cakes or sponges. Caster sugar, dark cocoa powder, baking powder, and a little bit of sea salt as well, which kind of enhances that chocolate and cocoa flavour. So let's get these all combined. Okay, so now we've got our dry mix ready, we'll move on to the wet and we'll get those combined together to make our cake batter. So we've got 2 beaten eggs, some vegetable oil, some whole milk and some vanilla extract. So we just need to get those combined together. Okay, so now we've got our ganache made, we're just going to layer our cake. So that was my recipe for a hot chocolate fudge cake. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you had, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.